Right, on to part two of my day. I'm gonna do my nose blowing video. Yeah, my nose is a little congested, but it's much better than yesterday. So, just keep the relief, and the Allertech really helps. I'll just put it in. I put this up because I'm gonna wash my face really thoroughly later. Circular motion. Let's get that in my nose. And I have my aloe Great Fire, which I used earlier. So my medications are starting to work. Oh, and I have 3 different Coca-Colas. I drank one already. I have Coca-Cola Zero, Coca-Cola, and I'll take my fish oil too. And I just took, I don't think I was on camera, the vitamin C collagen. I just took that. Okay, hold on. Okay. Right. Wild Alaskan fish oil. And I think we picked it up at Costco. Okay. Well, that's good. It tastes so good. That kind of helped too. All the stuff helps clear sinuses. And my hot pepper therapy. Yeah. Which is the I did yesterday. Lemons help a lot too. Oh yeah, that really helps. The air go in. All right, my red handkerchief. Oh boy, that does help. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, such more relief. And I took Tylenol for the back of my head was hurting, which I know that's my blood pressure, my heart rate. So lower my heart rate, be great. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, I can breathe. Yay. Sometimes I sneeze out of nowhere. That was so good. Oh, I'm just getting grounded inside and pray to myself. Dear Father. My nails are growing right here. You can see them. See? It's clear white. It's because I got rid of those people that, see, caused me strife, or they worry me. Yes, some of them worried me. I cared about them, but they don't pay no attention to me. Like, they don't know my name. It's rude. I was brought up with manners, so if I can't get manners and respect, I'm gone. Like, I don't have any tolerance for it. No second chance. Like, I don't have the chances. Yeah. I just ended up replacing them all. I gained 40 subscribers this last report, and I only took away, I took away 6 of them. I don't even know if any of them were subscribed to me anyway. So I'm getting more subscribers every month. It's true. 22,000 minutes. And it ends up being 4,350 for the year. So that's why I always have my, my hours, naturally. If I push it a little harder, put it a little bit more, sometimes I'll put like 10 or 12 videos, then it goes way up. Then it'll be more like 5,000 watch time hours in the year. Quite, it's hard to make all the videos, but if I am consistent and I do all that, the numbers, everything climbs, It's really cool. I like numbers, but I don't do it for the numbers. I mean, I do things, how do I say this? I like when I do my magic and my magic potion works and it hits the algorithm, but that's all science and magic. But I'm just happy, just to make people smile. If I make a video for someone, I just want them to watch it and think about it, and I care, whatever it is, and improve themselves. If I make them a little workout routine, that's a lot of work for me. My body's in a lot of pain a lot of time. I don't have to do anything for anybody. I'm on the gravy train. I'm like set for life. I don't have to make another video ever again, but I want to help these. Most of them are younger people. They don't know what they're doing, and I have a lot of wisdom and expertise, really. Classes and traveling all over to these different seminars and conferences. It costs big bucks, and trying to help them, but if they aren't even going to watch it, it's disheartening, it's sad, it makes me depressed, and I have to get out of that low vibration, so I tend to just cut them out, or just rarely deal with them. If you want to be happy, you have to make yourself happy, You can't have everybody try to make you happy for you. That's selfish, that's narcissistic. You have to change your thought, You have to change your perseverance and persistence and an attitude, really. Oh, yeah. Those are my thoughts. Let's do my nose some more. They're clearing it out. Oh, there we go. See? It just keeps getting better. My legs, the fluid is cleared from this medication. And then I have I think eating all at once. Up to my calories. This is probably all the calories I would have in a day before. 700? Yeah. I have the Lean Cuisine that's 230, 300, you know. I'd have one of those or Weight Watchers. And then that's like 500. And then I would have my soda or my drink or my coconut water or my 5 calorie add-ins or the water. And, you know, or I'd have a double shot. It's like micro eating, or, you know, lettuce. I do the Cynthia Beaumont's diet lettuce with the. I have been doing it. I cooked a lot of eggs for it, and everyone had egg. Everyone loved it. Wild greens and spinach. I made sure to put spinach in a lot of different times, and 2 or 3 egg whites, or I would just do one or 2 whole eggs, because sometimes I factored it in because the workout was pretty grueling, and it was hard for me. I was in a lot of pain. I don't think I want to do that anymore, because the people that I make the videos for won't do it either. So why should I suffer just for these people that don't care about me? They say they care, but they don't do them. Yeah, they take forever to improve. I can't wait. It's too stressful for me to wait around for people. So yeah, it's sad, but it's true. Let's see. I took all these. Something about that. I don't think I took my Zoloft. Hold on. Oh, let me get my Zoloft in. Hold on. My perspective is they need to be medicated. They're daffy. They're daffy. Daffy Duck. I've watched all their old videos from my old channels. Yeah, be real, true to yourself. Don't be fake. Don't be something you're not. If you're really girly and loving and sweet, and don't try to be tough and mean. It's cruel. It's cruel. I can be pretty mean back, but I don't want to say. Just lose the weight and stop making me wait around. So yeah. There's my nose. Okay, here's my long video for today. I know if someone is asking for belly videos. Listen, if I don't take my medication and clear the sinuses and get this medication, this is priority. There won't be any underwear or belly videos or anything, you know. You have to have priorities up, you know. I'm not a robot. But yeah, I appreciate it. They like them, but I could just rewatch another one. There's so many of them, yeah. But I really want to do the pounding video, and I want to do a clearing and remove some